Hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everybody. So it's been a long time since we have exchanged of thoughts. So this week we have in a new feature and new update from our end. Particularly or technically not, this is not a new feature. We already had it, but recently looks like many e-commerce marketers wants to know on how to increase their high AOV purchase. I think this is not something that's to be new, right? It is a never-ending thought in everybody's heads how to increase the high AOV, how to increase the purchase, everything. But having said that, why do we say did Shopify Cappy for that, or maybe any platforms like WooCommerce or BigCommerce or anybody for that matter? Why that and how that helps to improve the AOV purchase? I'll take you through that. So before that, a quick question: do you also optimize the campaign, any campaign that you set on Meta for just the purchase event, like the standard default purchase event which Shopify gives? Do you also optimize a campaign for that? If yes, I think you're not training the algorithm for getting high purchases. I'll tell you one scenario. So this idea of thought of having these things came as we were discussing with the multiple e-commerce marketers, is it? So one of the scenarios that we heard was their CAC, this a customer acquisition cost is almost 270, and they for acquiring a user who actually purchased for $300. So there is not even a break even in the business there. So similar, this is one scenario. So by this scenario, he said the marketer told me, "Hey, I wanted to have more of high AOV purchase. How do I do that?" So for that, the ideal thing to do is, if you're going to train the purchase, if you're going to train the purchase event with all the purchase like high, mid, low, Facebook will be like, okay, fine, everything is a purchase. I will bring all of them. But only if you train the algorithm with high AOV purchase, you will get more of the same one. So if you're not training, Facebook wouldn't know, okay, this user is potential to buy for 1,000, this user is potential to buy above 500. That's one solution, right? So you have to train the algorithm for high AOV purchase, for acquiring more of high AOV purchase. Problem number two, or scenario number two, again this got ideated again few weeks back. So this scenario was, a brand was discussing, saying they have a product and they cater it to elderly, they cater it to adults, they also cater it for kids. So these are the three target variables for them. But whenever they set in a campaign for any category for that matter, the campaign is getting optimized only for elderly, even if the campaign is set for kids and adults. So this is again a problem for the marketers, where they are not able to cater to the right people. So the target variable is a problem now. This means again you're not training the meta algorithm properly, because you are sending the purchase event for all the categories together. So even if if the kid product is purchased, that is a purchase. If the adult product is purchased, that is again a purchase. The elderly is product purchased a product, that is also purchase. But we are again not segregating it. So now, if you're going to train algorithm saying elderly purchase, kids purchase, adult purchase, the meta would know, okay, these are the guys who will buy for kids, and who these are the guys will potentially buy based on the learning. Similarly for adult, and similarly for elderly. So the ideal scenario here is, you have to create purchase elderly, purchase kids, purchase adult. That's an ideal scenario. If you do that, the meta knows how to do. Otherwise, meta will be like this, what? Right? So these are two scenarios we came across. So based on this, you will have multiple use cases that is relevant to your business. Now, does Shopify or any other Cafe platforms like e-commerce, WooCommerce help you do this? Does other platforms help you have multiple conversion events, multiple conversion optimization events? Does it all do it? I don't think so. uh, it is not possible. Ideally, it is not, I don't think so, it is not possible, because Shopify has default six seven e-commerce events like view, content page view, similarly for WooCommerce, similarly for BigCommerce. But if you wanted to have a custom event, then you will have to have a developer, or there is no quick workaround that you can think about or Google it like how to have it, because it is a technical technically you should be sound to have it. And there is also multiple optimizations that Meta will need going forward because of this third party cookie going away, ad blockers, iOS opt out users. There are a lot of things that's happening. So for all these issues that's happening, for these all these challenges that's happening out, there is a lot of optimization that needs to be done. But again, if we are going to stick to the default standard default cappy, then I think that's a problem. But again, there is a but. However, how do you work around it? How do we go past it? So we had to go beyond optimizing for purchase event. So the reference is one of the Google Facebook's document says when you spend $9 you get $10, and that is only 11% of incremental revenue for your whole business. But Facebook says if you're going to spend a little more, let's say $12 you're going to spend, you're going to get $50, which the incremental ROAS the business is going to get is around 300 percentage plus. So this is the area where we have to focus on. Meta says the algorithm will train better if you increase the value of the conversion and not focus on the number of conversions. So this is based on a Meta's report where Meta itself says send me the value, train me based on the value, so that I'll increase the value of the conversions, which definitely is important for the business ROAS as well. So how do you go about it? How do you fix it? The simple way is customers first party data ops will help you simplify all of it. So at Custom Labs, we have created a multiple AOV based purchases. For one of the brand, we did a multiple AOV purchase for high AOV, low AOV, mid AOV, and that's just not it. At the industry best event match quality of 9.3 with all the advanced matching parameters, including FBC, click IDs, all of it. Similarly, for a category based purchase, this is one of our clients again. So they sell clothes and shoes, and shoe was a new category that they introduced of. So they wanted to scale and double down on it. So how do we scale and how do we double down on it? So for that, we thought we'll have a separate purchase event for shoe. And then the business brand decided that they wanted to build a whole funnel itself for that particular product. So we had a shoe purchase, shoe product view, show ATC, so that we know how many of them view the product, how many of them add to cart, how many of them initial checkout, how many of them purchased. For all those things, we wanted to have this optimization events. So we did it in a very few clicks of optimizing this, having these multiple conversion events and optimizing the campaigns for it. So it doesn't take much time. You just have to create multiple workflows for this. So here when you see uh, okay, so here when you see you have multiple workflows, you just create a multiple workflows and add the value and everything. That's pretty much it. You have the workflows ready. Not even it took more than an hour or 2 hours or something. All that you need to have a strategy in your mind of what exactly you want to do, and you have the data ready. So that's one way. And we also had multiple other things that we could do based on this conversion events. And one of the thing was we built report inside Facebook itself. So this reports helps us identify which campaign is performing good, which creative is performing, which campaign is bringing in high AOVs, where I have to optimize, how to draw results. So all these things we were able to do based on this custom conversion events, and we are working on a lot of updates around this. And we are most of our customers, after we rolled out this thing that we are doing this, everybody has almost started with the high AOV one, and we are still exploring what all that we can do. And we have a lot of sample reports that we are work for our customers as well. So if you're somebody that who's actually wanted to try this and wanted to have this conversion events, or let's say you have some challenge like what we discussed, please connect with us. We shall discuss like what are your use cases, and we'll bring out a best solution, and we'll work together. So let me know if you have any questions. Happy to connect, and we'll meet you again with one of the other features that we roll out. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Hey, Sarika forgot to tell this. So join Custom Labs community for more updates. Stay tuned. You can interact, engage, ask your doubts, and get more recent real-time updates regarding what's happening in the meta ads industry and how you can train your algorithms. We have a lot of resources as well. We'll be posting webinars regularly. So join the community. It's completely free. It's only for you, the marketers, for the first party data ops community. Thank you.